Okay, welcome back everyone to this lecture on limit. Here, the limit command allows us to limit the number of rows returned for a query, and it's useful for not wanting to return every single row in a table, but only view the top few rows to get an idea of the table layout. Um, Limit also becomes useful in combination with order by statement that we have just learned. And limit goes at the very end of a query request and is the last command to be executed because it's essentially what the limit does is after you're done with filtering with statement, ordering ordering with order by in sorting. And limit is just going to say how many rows do you want at the end. Okay. And here's the basic syntax of limit. And we starting from select list and from the table name order by source expression and limit the row count. The statement returns row count generated by the query. If row count is 0, the query returns an empty set. All right, and I've just showed you about limit theory. Now I'm gonna take some cases in pgadmin. Okay, let's jump over to pgadmin. Okay, and here, and let's take a look at here. I will choose the payment table, query 2. Okay, here I am at payment table. And as usual, I will select everything from payment. Select everything. I choose asterisk from payment. Okay, run it. Okay, then I got variety of results here. Payment ID, customer ID, rental stop ID, rental ID, amount, and payment date. Okay, from payment. Okay, you can see here. See this column, this payment date, and which is a timestamp without a time zone, essentially just day, hour, minute, and millisecond where this payment occurred. Okay, and I would say just delete the semicolon and I just say order by from the payment date ordered by the payment date. Run this and see what's happening. What's happening here? Here you can see. Notice we got 2007 and 214. So that means this year, month, and day, or I could say descending, DESC, run. You can see here, I see 2007, 5 and 14. Essentially for 14th of May instead of if I'm not mistaken, 14 February, right? So what this actually means is that I can use order by in conjunction with limit to get the top of the rows of something. Here's the top of the row is something. And so the question here is, what were the 10 most recent purchases in the payment table? So after I conducting by order by, I will call delete it. I will call limit keyword, and then I provide how many rows do I actually want. And in this case, I will choose 5 rows here. And here's a column. And if I say 5 and run this, and I run this here, you can see here, just got 5 to rows, 5, 5 to 5, 5 here. And scrolling down 5 of 5. So essentially, what this answer is what were the 5 most recent rows of based of the payment date. So this allowed you to get the top of anything based of the column here. Here's the top based of the payment. So what we do here is just order by some column and then limit it to the top and result that we want. Okay. And summary, I will summary all the information that I've just showed you. The payment, the payment table, I will select all the first. I select all the information or the information from the payment table, and then I order by the payment date descending order, and then we're limiting it to top 5. Here I choose this 5. Top 5 most recent one based of the payment date here, based of the payment date, and descending order here, descending order. And I could also say, and then I will do, and I could also say here, I use where clause, where you can see here where I would take amount here. You can see the numeric of amounts 07.98 3.98. Okay, and when amount is not equal to 0, it's not equal to 0, and just run it. Here you can see the top 5. Okay. Here's the 5 payment without the numeric in amount is not equal to 0. You can see here when the amount is not equal to 0. 4.99, 7.98, 3.98 here, and all of this numeric amount is not equal to 0, right? And okay, and this all theory of the limit And all right, so hopefully that gives you an idea of limit. And anyway, thanks for watching this video.